Modern clothing begins far from store shelves. It starts in facilities built for scale and precision.
This journey begins with raw fibers, materials sourced from agricultural regions across the world. No two fibers are identical. These differences influence everything that follows.
Before production can begin, materials must be staged, organized, and prepared in large volumes. At this point, raw material leaves the outside world behind. The industrial process begins here. Compression is reversed. Fibers are loosened for controlled handling.
Modern clothing relies on coordinated systems. Every machine performs a specific function.
Different fabrics begin differently. Each material requires its own process. Precision starts early. Consistent input leads to predictable output. Even natural materials are digitally monitored. Control is constant. Even natural materials are digitally monitored. Control is constant.
Order replaces randomness. Fibers are guided into uniform direction. Order replaces randomness. Fibers are guided into uniform direction. Air becomes a transport tool. Efficiency replaces manual handling. These facilities are designed for uninterrupted movement. Flow is essential. Scale defines modern production. Volume is essential to meet demand. Scale defines modern production. Volume is essential to meet demand.
Inspection begins immediately. Quality is checked before processing continues.
Each stage is controlled and isolated. Stability prevents errors. Cleaning begins early. Small contaminants can affect later stages. Not all material continues forward. Selection is continuous.
The material is already changing. But this is only the beginning. Conditions are carefully managed. Even minor variations matter.
Each step builds toward transformation. Preparation sets the foundation.
Shape starts to emerge. Structure replaces disorder. This process runs continuously, day and night. What enters unrefined will soon be transformed.
Before clothing can take form, preparation must be complete. The core manufacturing process comes next.
With preparation complete, the next phase begins. Initial processing shapes how fibers will behave later.
Fibers must be fully separated. This allows machines to work evenly and efficiently.
Speed and tension are carefully balanced. Too much force can damage the material.
Processing happens at scale. Thousands of kilograms move through the system every hour. Air systems remove impurities. Clean fibers are essential for consistency. Air replaces manual transport. Material flows without interruption.
Air replaces manual transport. Material flows without interruption.
Blending ensures uniformity. Variations are evened out before forming begins.
Different sources become one. Consistency is built here. Monitoring never stops. Data guides constant adjustment.
Small changes make large differences. Precision prevents defects.
Alignment prepares fibers for structure. Direction matters from this point forward.
Carding is a critical step. It transforms loose fibers into controlled layers.
Fibers are guided, not forced. Control preserves strength. For the first time, the material begins to resemble something usable. Layers are built gradually. Strength comes from uniform buildup. Each stage feeds the next. Continuous flow is essential. Compression adds control. Without it, structure would collapse.
Not all fibers qualify. Selection continues at every stage.
The material is now predictable. That reliability enables automation. Machines work continuously. Repetition ensures consistency. Environmental control protects fiber quality. Conditions must remain stable.
Environmental control protects fiber quality. Conditions must remain stable.
Initial processing is nearly complete. The material is ready for transformation.
Nothing operates in isolation. Each system depends on the last. The process now shifts from preparation to production.
The foundation is set. Next comes the core of manufacturing.
This stage forms the backbone of clothing manufacturing. Fibers are transformed into usable yarn. Scale becomes visible here. Thousands of spindles work at once. Twisting binds fibers together. Strength begins to form. Tension is carefully controlled. Too much force weakens the yarn.
Consistency depends on repetition. Every strand follows the same path.
Thousands of fibers become one. Uniformity is essential. Production never pauses. Continuous input keeps output stable. Quality is measured constantly. Deviations are corrected immediately. Once formed, the yarn must be stabilized.
Even winding prevents future defects. Balance matters.
Yarn becomes the building block of fabric. Setup determines accuracy. Small errors multiply quickly.
Fabric formation begins. Interlocking threads create structure.
Slow-motion footage captures shuttles moving rapidly. The narration speed increases, but control remains critical.
Pattern emerges from repetition. Precision defines quality. Variety is produced at scale. Machines adjust automatically.
Real-time correction prevents flaws from spreading.
Fabric now exists as a continuous sheet.
Core manufacturing is complete. The product has taken form.
Surface consistency reflects process control. standardization begins immediately after formation.
Each roll represents hours of coordinated work.
The material moves forward toward refinement. Manufacturing continues. Now precision takes priority. With fabric formed, attention shifts to precision and refinement.
Uniform lighting reveals details invisible during manufacturing.
Automated inspection detects flaws at high speed.
Data guides immediate adjustment before errors spread.
Alignment ensures the fabric remains straight and stable throughout the process.
Pressure refines texture without damaging fibers. Precision must be maintained at scale.
Machines are tuned continuously for accuracy.
Heat stabilizes structure and relaxes internal tension. Refinement becomes visible through subtle change. Cooling locks structure into place. Humidity is adjusted to protect fiber balance. Edges are standardized for consistent width. Clean cuts prevent future defects. Tension correction restores uniform dimensions.
As the synchronized rollers engage, the fabric is pulled forward with a steady, controlled motion, ensuring flawless production.
Multiple parameters are checked at once. Each adjustment prepares fabric for final evaluation.
Refined fabric accumulating onto large precision wound rolls. The process ends with controlled winding.
Uniform winding preserves surface quality.
Consistent material moves forward.
Macro shot highlights smooth fabric texture under neutral lighting, and voice narration refinement improves both feel and appearance.
Refinement is complete. Standards will now be tested.
Look at the fluctuation here on the sensor readings.
It seems within tolerance, but we should monitor it closely.
The process now reaches its final stage. Fabric is ready to become clothing.
Accuracy here determines the fit and consistency of every garment.
Every cut follows predefined measurements. No material is wasted.
Individual components begin their journey toward completion.
Assembly transforms flat pieces into three-dimensional forms.
Stitch quality defines durability and comfort. Even stitching is verified automatically.
Scale ensures consistent output across thousands of units.
Heat and pressure finalize shape and appearance.
Final form becomes visible here.
Measuring the seam allowance is a critical step, reflecting the artisanal quality of the garment. Every detail must be exact.
Each item is checked before approval.
Holding prepares products for handling and transport.
Voice narration protection begins immediately after completion.
Packaging preserves quality during distribution.
Finished products are now ready for shipment.
Inventory waits for global distribution.
Logistics completes the manufacturing cycle. The factory output moves beyond its walls.
All processes connect into a single system.
What began as raw fiber now serves a purpose.
Production never truly stops.
The journey from raw material to clothing is complete.